Good morning. Scampbase here, and I'm working on my next project here, and this is going to be to put a vinyl top on the car. And also, as you can see, this window is cracked. I need to get a new windshield, so it would seem to be the perfect time. My understanding is that the vinyl goes down under here, which means you pretty much have to take the window out to get to it. So what I've done is rattle canned the car here, and I'm going to do some sanding and some more rattle canning, and we'll see how that works out. That's, you know, I'm just using Rust-Oleum, so we'll see how that works out. Was able to get the clips out here, the clips on the roof. The clips for the side here are very easy, just a screwdriver, pop under it, start here and move along, and that'll work fine. It's easy to do. I'll show you what a clip looks like. This piece came out of there. Yeah, this piece came off of right here. You look at it, it's just one of these little clips. So basically, if you force up, it'll spring open. Now you can polish those. Those are the easiest to get off. The ones here, they roll up from the bottom. You roll up. So you, like basically a can opener, but gently roll up. The one that's right here is a roll down. So can opener, roll down. And now I'm working on removing the metal trim from here, and what I'm doing is I'm looking to find out where the clips are. And there are clips here. There's a gasket, there's a cover, there's metal cover, stainless steel cover, and there are clips to hold this in, and then the gasket, I believe you'd probably cut it and that help you remove it. I'd like to take the wipers off, but I don't actually know how to get this off. I'm gonna have to look it up, but I don't know how to get that off. But as I'm trying to find how to get this done, I marked where I can see the clips. See, as I come down, it stopped right there. There's something in there. And the same from the top, if you're going up, there's something right there it stopped on. So then I'm going to take this tool, insert it, and try to hook the clip, and hopefully that works out. It hasn't worked too good so far, but I'll let you know how it goes. So after that, then I'm going to do a bunch of cleaning here and painting, and check my surfaces, make sure they're all up to snuff, and start with the top. Okay, I got one of the clips to pop up on the very bottom. This piece right here goes in the end. Hooks right in there, and then the screw, the hole is for the screw that's down on the wall. So you take that piece out. Then, in looking at this, I was prying down and digging in here like this, and I got that one, and you can see it right there. So I got that loose, and that one came up. So now I'm going to continue on across. A lot of dirt in there. All right, I got the next one by pulling up on this and then reaching in with my tool into here like this, and you can see, let's see here, whoa. Okay, so getting in there, getting my tool in on it, and that's lifting. So by lifting, helped it out, and pulling in a tool, now I'm going to walk it across. I'm also finding it useful to mark where these things are, and I'm making a little mark. I'm sliding through here, finding, feels like one right there. Yeah, there's one right there. So now let me mark it. It's right about there. So now I know where to put my other tool in, because this one's easier to slide in there. I'll note that this piece goes down on top of this upper arm here. So that's this piece is underneath. Over here, this piece is above. All right, so there's the first piece. I got it off. I've marked it as I went using this. On the back side, I'll show you what it looks like. There's not much to say about it. The part that gets clipped is this long side here. That's the part that gets clipped. I didn't bend it. I did good. And ton of dirt in here. Let's look at a clip. So that's a clip. That's what they do. They just move out. You can get them out. You can get them done. Think there's a little dirt in there? Oh yeah. There's another clip. I don't think these actually will need to be replaced. They look pretty solid. There's no rust in here, especially for this type of a car. It's pretty damn good. Okay, got this one out. Sometimes you really do have to put some force on it. There's a lot of these channels are impacted, and there's a lot of debris in there. Plus there's this material from the roof. There's a lot of freaking dirt in here. That's a clip right there. So you got your rubber that's got to come next. But look at all the debris in here. You know, I mean, you can't even see the clip here. Even the thing had a bunch of debris in it. On the top, this will be the bottom. On the top, there is a slight lip on that. Take a look. Hangs over. So you have to go up with it. Can't just pull it off. Oops. Ain't that lovely? So I'm going to show you how easy or how hard this is to get off. I've got it started. Focus down a little bit. Okay, here we go. I've already got it started. So I got a lip up on it. So I can put pressure on this. Get this out of the way. Found it because I marked it. Done. Got it off. That broke that one loose. Now I'll move on to the next one. So it's not that hard once you get your finger under it and you can actually put a little back pressure on it. I haven't bent any of these yet, and I've got this will be the third one I get. All right, I'm going to conclude the video for today. I made some marks on here, and I've been working on this one, and this one is tougher than the others, but it's not that big a deal. I just keep working on it. Note all the dirt that's in these things. So if you're having a problem finding a clip, can you see that one right there? That's why. They get impacted, they get all kinds of dirt and stuff all over. I thought this window was clean, but that's what it's got. Well, I'm going to conclude it. I would say mark them up, use the flat tool to find out where they're at, and then you can reach the other tool in there to get them. All in all, it's not too bad a job. The other thing is, so the next part I'll do is removing this plastic here. I think it's going to be easy because if you look here, it's also dried out. It just peels right up. This you see that separating? Just peels up easy. But it might be harder than I think. So I'm going to end this video, and I'll do another video when I take the window out and that sort of thing. Can't base out. Oh, also, I hope this video finds everybody well. I know these are hard times. Hope you're all doing well with them. Hang in there. We'll all get through this.